Hey there. You know, I think my dad is pretty lucky. He comes up here to the cancer clinic, and there are some people here who are really sick. I know Dad is, and you know he is, but to look at him, he doesn't look a whole lot different than he did before he got sick. He's maybe lost a little more hair, but he still has enough that he looks like he has hair. At least he thinks so. But just between you and me, it's pretty shiny on the top. Outwardly, he hasn't changed much at all, at least on first glance. I have been watching him for a while now, and he seems to be slowing down some. And at this point, in the week after treatment, he's at his slowest. But even through that, his mind is still ticking in there. Dad is always looking for different ideas and ways of doing things. That's what I meant by lucky. He's lucky he can drive for an hour to get to his treatments. He's lucky that the treatments allow him to have a little shop time now and then. He's lucky that this didn't happen 40 years ago. And even though he doesn't know it, he's lucky because he has me to watch over him. And probably most important of all, he's lucky because he has you. It is a whole lot easier to stand in the middle of a crowd on a stage than it is to stand in the middle of a stage in front of a crowd. Till next time I got more for you, thanks for watching.